Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to write your resume using ChatGPT. So let's get to it. So I copy-pasted here this prompt saying, write me a resume for a job title, position that showcases my years of experience at the company where I was responsible for Task 1, Task 4. In this role, I action where projector accomplishes, which results. My experience has also allowed me to develop skills in Skill 1, Skill 2, which I can leverage to contribute to a company position. So this is a private or a custom AI prompt to write a resume. Let's check it out. It also has some other AI prompts, so the subject is writing a resume. Resume. And you have also this prompt. Let me resume that effectively represents my education. This is the second one. So, you get the idea here. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe.